A total crowd pleaser, some say the Stasher fam starts with this essential, whether you're meal prepping and packing your lunch, or just trying to keep your tinted moisturizer from exploding into your gym bag. Top reviews from the United States. Sustainable alternative and dishwasher safe. I noticed a couple of other reviews talking about how they came in plastic bags. I noticed upon receiving my Stasher bags that they came in all different types of packaging. Paper, plastic, or none at all. My advice: you can obviously recycle the paper, and the plastic wrap you can recycle at your local grocery store, but hopefully it's not a deal breaker, because with these bags you'll never have to use ziplocks again. I've been using Stasher for a while now and these are my first larger sized bags. I've noticed they're not very fun to clean by hand, but in the dishwasher they do great and you can wash them on either the top or bottom rack. They can also be microwaved or put in the oven, which is super convenient for me. I used up my Ziploc bags before I switched to these and now I no longer have to feel guilty every time I stick yet another Ziploc into recycling where I'm not even sure they'll be turned into a new bag. They don't get damaged easily, or at least not that I've noticed, and all around they're a great product, in my opinion. Each order comes with one bag. They're a bit pricey, but worth the price if you use these a lot, but, like others, I suggest you wait for sales to buy or buy them locally. My Whole Foods sells them, for example. They do come dusty, so give them a wash when they arrive before you use them, and when you wash them make sure you dry them thoroughly so moisture doesn't get trapped in them.